So good morning. Hopefully the very first thing you clicked on in that module was the check-in. I always want to know how you're doing. If you have any questions for me, this is a way to interact and for you to get a chance to talk to me about any problems that you're having, and we can work on those to fix them. So do the check-in. Today is September 16th, 2020, and your objective or your goal for today is using your vocabulary about a topic by relating an image and writing a complete sentence correctly. Okay, and how you're going to be successful is finding an image that represents a word and using it correctly in your own original sentence. So this should look familiar. We are on a second set of words for the workshop. We don't want to overwhelm you because there is a lot of vocabulary in the workshop. So what the book does is kind of separates it out every 10 words or so. So you have a new set of words here, and this is an assignment in your Canvas. So after you're done watching this, you will click on this assignment and it will look just like this, okay? And what you're going to do, I've given you the word here on the left, and I've given you the definition. And the whole point of vocabulary is learning new words and what they mean. So by providing this, I want you to provide me an image that will help you remember the definition, number one. And it's a proven fact in research that we look at things, it helps us remember what it actually means. So that's why the image is very important. And then I want you to also use it correctly in a sentence. So for this one, I've given you the example when you pull up the assignment. First word is memorable, and it means believed to be important or significant. And so I started thinking about things that were important or significant to me in my life, and I always think about vacations with my family. So my sentence is, the vacation we took to Mexico was the most memorable, okay? Now, I can use an image that I'm thinking of in the sentence, okay, so the beach maybe, or I can think about the definition here and an image that will help me remember the definition, something that's significant or important, okay? So you want to think about maybe something that's significant or important in your life and look up an image to help you remember that. Now, don't forget, the easiest way to do this is to put your cursor in the box here, go up to Insert, Image, search the web, and then all of these will come up. And since I'm going to use a picture that helps me remember this word by the vacation or the sentence that I used, I decided to type in beach. And then I have all these come up here. I'm just going to click on one that I really like. I like that blue water. So I'm going to insert it in this box and it will come up. Now it makes it very big. You might want to resize it just so it doesn't take up a ton of room on your page here, okay? So that's how you insert a picture. So it is your job to go through. Some of you last time just gave me another definition here. That's not what I want. I want you to use it in a sentence like I've done here, okay? Pictures, sentence for 10 of the words. So take your time. Good luck with that. And then when you're done, it is your software time. Do not forget that you need to make sure that you are getting on software each day for 20 minutes and doing that. You need to make sure that you are getting on for 20 minutes and reading. Do not forget to fill in your reading log for the day. We are still doing that the whole month of September, so make sure you're filling it in. And then also, if you go into, I'm going to go to my Canvas here. I apologize, I was not on your class. But if you go into your classroom and go to announcements, okay, I've also inserted a Quizlet there for you to practice these new words. So if you just click on vocabulary number 2 for workshop 4, you can click on this and there's flashcards there, there are games, and just be prepared with these words because when you're in small group this week, we will be playing a little Quizlet live, but it will be all individual. So study your words. Just by clicking it, it gives you the definition and a picture again, and then you are done for the day after your software and reading. So have a wonderful day, guys, and I will see you tomorrow and Friday.